This is the ultimate resource for ending persistent Explorer.exe crashes. Having personally endured the frustration of a constantly freezing system after updates, and rigorously testing countless approaches, I've pinpointed several reliable methods that truly restore stability, and I'm eager to share these proven solutions with you right now. First, we'll tackle immediate system integrity. Restarting clears transient memory issues, while running the System File Checker, or SFC, directly repairs corrupted Windows system files, a primary culprit for Explorer instability. Following that, the Deployment Image Servicing and Management, or DISM, tool delves deeper, fixing the underlying Windows image that SFC relies on, ensuring foundational system health. Next, we address recent changes and conflicts. Uninstalling a problematic Windows update reverses changes that might have introduced the crash. Performing a clean boot then isolates third-party software conflicts by starting Windows with minimal drivers and programs, and disabling shell extensions eliminates potential issues from faulty context menu integrations. Moving on, we investigate deeper system components. Correcting registry permissions ensures Explorer has proper access to its critical configuration data, preventing access errors. Checking RAM health rules out memory defects that can cause critical processes like Explorer to fail randomly, and verifying disk integrity addresses bad sectors or file system errors that could corrupt Explorer's components. Finally, we focus on drivers and a comprehensive system refresh. Outdated or corrupted graphics drivers frequently cause Explorer.exe to crash, especially during visual rendering or hardware acceleration. Updating these ensures compatibility. Similarly, updating other device drivers resolves conflicts that destabilize the operating system. If all else fails, repairing or performing an in-place upgrade of Windows can overwrite damaged system files and components, effectively resetting Explorer to a functional state without a full data wipe. Tackling deep-seated corruption that simpler fixes might miss.